These are the famous Turkish eggs that everybody wants to know the recipe. Irresistible and very easy to make. There's no secret. We'll use 8 units of cooked eggs and we're going to cut them in half this way, as you can see on the video. Meanwhile, there's no secret, guys. It's super easy to make. Healthy, yummy, and cheap to make, okay? There's nothing better than that. In a frying pan, let's put oil, and if you want a healthier thing, you can put like coconut oil, that it's even better. 1 chopped onion, and let's fry it very well. Let's go building layers here. After adding the onions, we are going to add red pepper, green pepper. I'm using half pepper of each, and a good pinch of salt. Let's fry all of this very well. You can use your favorite seasons. Here I used black pepper. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. After frying very well and guarantee that the onion is very fried, let's put some slices of tomato this way. Avoid to put the middle of the tomato, okay? Then let's put all of the eggs this way, guys, in this position. As you can see on the video, there's no mistake, you just have to make this step by step. To finish it, a very special touch to it, it's optional, but I guarantee you guys that you're gonna like it. Put a lot of paprika. The paprika can be the smoked one or the traditional one, okay? And to finish, let's put a lot of grated mozzarella. And I also sprinkled some oregano on top of it. And now you just have to cover it and wait in low heat for this cheese to be melted and cook a little bit the tomato. And our Turkish eggs are already done. Make it at your house, and I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family is gonna fall in love with this recipe. You're gonna wanna make it every single day. Because besides being super tasty, nutritional, is very healthy as well for an afternoon snack or even for a breakfast. And who doesn't like pepper? You just have to replace it, okay? You can put zucchini, carrots, peas. Use your creativity. Put in this recipe the ingredients you like the most, okay? Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. Kisses, and see you guys on the next video.